narcissist consumes you like a python consumes you in whole, so does a narcissist.
इनको आप ट्रीट कैसे कर सकते हैं?
ट्रीट होते नहीं, इन लोगों में अपनी कोई लर्निंग नहीं होती है, दे पिक अप थिंग्स. The gray matter in the narcissist is much thinner compared to the empaths. They get bored and they drop you like hot potato. The narcissist is equally confused कि मैं ऐसा गलत क्या कर रहा हूँ. They are absolutely perfect in their perception. मेरा तो ये मानना है कि ह्यूमन बीइंग्स का एक सबस्पीशीज है ये, NPDs.
Today we are talking about narcissistic personality because last few years I've been watching a lot of podcasts and there were a lot of information. I think it's a very new subject. When I heard Dr. Madhumati and I really connected with her. So we invited her today on the show because this is something very unheard of, very unidentified, and this personality could be around us and it's very difficult to know. So that's why I'm talking about, or we are talking about this with Dr. Madhumati.
One of the big things that everybody is talking about is these narcissistic personalities. What is it? Is it just that I'm in love with myself? I mean, that's how I understand narcissism.
Yes.
But what is a narcissistic personality?
नार्सिसिज्म जो शब्द है उसका मतलब है सेल्फ लव, जो भी आपने बोला.
हाँ.
लेकिन वो डिसऑर्डर कब बन जाता है? जब हम सेल्फ लव को इतने हद से बाहर ले जाते हैं कि हम दूसरे को यूज करते हैं, दूसरे को एक्सप्लॉइट करते हैं, दूसरे को मैनिपुलेट करते हैं. सो पहली चीज तो नार्सिसिज्म इज अ पर्सनालिटी डिसऑर्डर, NPD, नार्सिसिस्टिक पर्सनालिटी डिसऑर्डर. ये एक पर्सनालिटी डिसऑर्डर कैटेगरी में DSM जो हमारी क्लिनिकल सब डिविजन्स होते हैं उसको डिफाइन करते हैं. और जब हम उसको एक प्रोग्नोसिस या हम डायग्नोसिस देते हैं तो उसमें हम कहते हैं पर्सनालिटी डिसऑर्डर, जैसे कि साइकोपैथिक पर्सनालिटीज हैं, सो थिंग्स लाइक दैट. सो कमिंग बैक टू NPD, तो इसको मैं सिंपल शब्दों में ट्राई करती हूँ एक्सप्लेन करने की. ये एक स्पेक्ट्रम है जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं NPD स्पेक्ट्रम. ठीक है. अब ये दो एक्सट्रीम्स हैं. दो एक्सट्रीम्स में एक तरफ आ जाता है एक्सट्रीम NPD, नार्सिसिस्टिक पर्सनालिटी डिसऑर्डर, बड़ा खतरनाक वाला, बिल्कुल ये होपलेस केस. ये कौन सा है ऑपोजिट?
Extreme hate for yourself? No?
नो, दिस इज एक्सट्रीम एम्पैथ. ओ, जो हम सोच रहे थे कि अरे एम्पैथ्स तो बेचारे वाले लोग हैं, और है भी. आई विल टेल यू व्हाट इज डिफरेंस. दिस इज द एक्सट्रीम नार्सिसिस्ट व्हिच इज सेल्फ लव, एक्सप्लॉइटिंग, मैनिपुलेटिंग. विल टॉक अबाउट दैट. और ये होपलेस एम्पैथ है. एम्पैथ कौन होते हैं?
Giver.
गिवर्स. ये सो ये गॉट इट राइट. टेकर्स एक्सट्रीम लेवल वाले, ये है गिवर्स एक्सट्रीम होपलेस वाले. ये आ गए दो एक्सट्रीम. अब ये बीच का स्कोर हम लगा लेते हैं 0. सपोज 0 से स्केल शुरू करते हैं ना, तो यहाँ से हम लोग प्लस -1 to माइनस क्यों बोलेंगे? वी टॉक अबाउट दैट ऑल्सो कि ये माइनस क्यों है नार्सिसिस्ट बेचारों को, उनको प्लस क्यों नहीं करते अपन, इनको प्लस क्यों करते हैं? क्विकली एक्सप्लेन दैट ऑल्सो. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट -1 2 3 4 5 एंड दिस इज -10. दिस इज +1 2 3 4 10. अब ये जो 0 से इधर और इधर वाले हैं ना, ये वाले 20%, सो पॉपुलेशन को डिवाइड करते हैं, ये नॉर्मल लोग हैं.
Normal narcissist.
No.
नॉर्मल पीपल.
People, everywhere.
हाँ, but narcissistic scale में तो आ रहा है.
आ गए ना, तो
हाँ.
ये नार्सिसिज्म भी चाहिए और एम्पैथी भी चाहिए. थोड़ी ये थोड़ी वो.
Example ही हम, हाँ.
एग्जाम्पल मैं देती हूँ. जैसे ये जो नॉर्मल लोग कौन है? नॉर्मल लोग हैं, आपके बेस्ट फ्रेंड का कॉल आया और रात को आपका कल एग्जाम है और वो रो रही है बिल्कुल बिलक बिलक कि भाई मैं तो सेल्फ हार्म कर दूँ, ये गड़बड़ हो रहा है, मुझे बहुत खराब लग रहा है मुझे. तो ये वाली जो होगी ना, ये एक्सट्रीम वाला, तुरंत अपनी गाड़ी उठा के या जो भी अपना चली जाएगी वहां मिलने, या चला जाएगा, कल एग्जाम है.
ना नुकसान करके भी पहुंच
जाएगा वो, अपना नुकसान करके भी. ये वाले होपलेस. अब जो नॉर्मल वाला होगा ना, ये जो होगी, शी से ओके जस्ट काम डाउन, टेल मी व्हाट हैपेंड, एंड शी इज टाइमिंग हरसेल्फ, शी इज इन 2 मिनट. अच्छा हाँ बताओ. अच्छा ऐसा लग रहा है तुम्हें? ओके हैंग इट देयर. देखो अभी 7 बजे हैं, तेरा भी सिलेबस रहता है, मेरा भी रहता है, 2 घंटे में खत्म करते हैं पढ़ाई ये वाली, और साथ 9 o'clock आई विल बी एट योर प्लेस. तब तक जस्ट पुट इट, पार्क इट असाइड, आई विल बी कमिंग एट 9 PM टू सी यू. क्या किया ये वाले नॉर्मल लोग? अपना भी देख लिया, दूसरे का भी देख लिया. ये बताए कितने लोग हैं दुनिया में? गेस कर सकते हो? आइडिया? guesstimate
5%.
about 10 to 15%.
That's
You-
it.
Just this. So you have more realistic in that sense. बहुत कम लोग हैं. Sukriti is right. Very few people. About 15. On the higher side. 15% are the normal people. आप लोग भी अपनी लाइफ में सोचो कौन लोग मिलते हैं कि अरे हाँ यार बड़े असर्टिव लोग हैं, अपना भी करते हैं उसका भी करते हैं, अरे बड़े
Balanced
headed है,
balanced
Balance. कम लोग मिलते हैं. फिर आ जाओ बस स्केल बढ़ गया, इधर बढ़ गया, इधर भी बढ़ गया है. Now why am I giving this minus and why am I giving this plus? These are the good people, the givers, so I'm giving them the plus. And these are the minus, मतलब the takers. They are the ones who will take, these are the ones who will give. इसीलिए प्लस माइनस का साइन बनाया है. लेकिन they are signs for the sake of it. For this to thrive, you need this.
Because somebody has to give also.
If you are here, this person is not strengthened. भाग जाएगा आपसे. आप अगर बैलेंस्ड हो, नार्सिसिस्ट नहीं टिकेगा आपके साथ, बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
Is this the
ये-
sacrificial woman जो हम कहते हैं? Is that the extreme empath?
Could
जो
be a
सब
man
कुछ
too.
दे रही है.
Could be a man.
But I'm saying
It's a- by
typically
the way,
we've seen it like our moms and everything. सब कुछ sacrifice कर
Yes,
दिया, सब
it's-
कुछ करना है.
Correct. Givers, सब कुछ sacrifice. अपना तो अस्तित्व है
है
ही
ही
नहीं. It doesn't exist only. Another thing is it's a myth that it is only the males who are narcissists as a disorder. And the reason why we find more males and we talk about them more is because women tend to verbalize what they're going through. An abused male empath does not speak about his relationship out of shame, out of stigma. लोग क्या कहेंगे, boys don't cry. तो पता ही नहीं चलता कि क्या हो रखा है और वो लड़की उसको एक्सप्लॉइट कर रही है. Equal number. I would say boys and girls come in equal doses when it comes to a narcissist or an empath. Basically, सबसे important 4 factors हैं. One is known as fuel. Fuel का मतलब है you like me or hate me, cannot ignore me. A narcissist will always seek a response from a human being. You can't go unnoticed. A narcissist cannot go unnoticed.
Poke.
Cannot go unnoticed. Good or bad. Fuel बोलते हैं उसको. I'll give an example. Restaurant में enter किए तो reception. So they will always patronize in familiar places. They will go where people know them. There's a tendency in narcissists to go to places where people already know them. They will not go to places where nobody knows them. In such a way where the wife says कि so and so मेरी ऑफिस की पार्टी मैं क्या करूँगा, मैं तो किसी को नहीं जानता वहाँ पे, तुम चाहो. Because he is not being noticed, he is not important. First sign is fuel. Fuel का मतलब है उनको response चाहिए किसी human being से all the time. Now say why do they need that? Because that gives them a sense of existence. Otherwise they don't exist in their own understanding. Yes, you'll be wondering how does this work. On one hand we are talking about self-love gone extreme. That's a very tricky thing because the stuff that they portray is what they are exhibiting externally. Internally, they are actually very hollow. I'll give an example. A narcissist cannot live alone. They need somebody or the other in their life. Worst case scenario, कोई भी नहीं है ना, वो पेरेंट्स के साथ जाके रहना शुरू कर देते हैं. अकेले नहीं रह सकते. अकेले नहीं रहेंगे लोग. फ्यूल का मतलब है कि कोई भी रिस्पॉन्स लोगों से मिलना इज फ्यूल. सेकेंड we talk about is character traits. इन लोगों में अपनी कोई learning नहीं होती है. They pick up things. They pick up accents. They pick up mannerisms, hairstyle, copy people. And you say, अच्छा हाँ उसकी तरह लग रहा है, अच्छा उसकी तरह behave कर रहा है. Character traits. Third is need for control. ये सबसे important है. Need for control. मेरी बात
कैसे
रखी
नहीं
जाए.
मानी?
My sentence is the final one. I have the final word. You cannot. A narcissist cannot have the second last word. He or she has to have the final. Need for control. So, need for control is everywhere. Can you do this? Not can you do this? ऐसे करो, ये मत करो, ऐसे कपड़े मत पहनो, तुम्हारा वो दोस्त ठीक नहीं है, तुम्हारी मम्मी तुम पे बड़ा कंट्रोल करती है, तुम्हारा बॉस अच्छा नहीं है, तुम्हारे बाल अच्छे नहीं है, तुम्हारे control. How much you can control. And the fourth one is residual benefits. In fact, this is the most important one. ये जो मैंने बताया ना आपको, ये वाला यहाँ अट्रैक्ट क्यों होता है, नार्सिसिस्ट इसको क्यों अट्रैक्ट होता है, क्योंकि जो इसमें है वो इसमें नहीं होता है. एम्पैथ अब समझ लेते हैं कौन होते हैं. एम्पैथ्स आर पीपल हु आर very self-dependent, they are self-made, go-getters, socially very friendly, people like them. इन लोगों को लोग पसंद नहीं करते, by the way. They repel, because I'll come talk about that later. So all of what this person is not. They are likable people, they're givers, they're problem solvers. They like to take things under their wing. You know, I like to solve this. Oh, I'll do it for you. I'll do it, don't worry. I'll take care of this. They come across this powerful person who can take care of things. They are givers. ये तो अच्छे points हो गए. Negatives क्या है? Difficulty setting boundaries. They cannot say no. They give a long rope to their loved ones. कितनी गलतियां कर दूँ इसकी, they explanation देते हैं अपने आप को कि वो इस वजह से किया होगा, उस वजह से किया होगा, कोई बात नहीं, it's okay, long rope. It's okay is what leads them to be used, and they are used again and again. This person wants to use because they internally are empty. You say, why would a person want to use other people? Why would a person do that? क्योंकि उनमें वो क्षमता नहीं होती. The gray matter in the narcissist is much thinner compared to the empaths. The empaths gray matter is thicker. उनको दूसरे का दर्द पहले महसूस होगा, अपना बाद में देखी जाएगी लास्ट में.
And when you say narcissistic personality disorder, इनको आप treat कैसे कर सकते हैं?
Treat.
Yeah, let's suppose somebody.
तो होते ही नहीं है,
होते ही नहीं है.
सकते, नहीं.
So there is no treatment.
No,
for that.
there is no treatment. There is only 1%, less than 1% in therapy, in my experience, less than 1% of narcissists who have come up to me and say that I know there's something wrong with me. You know what to say? So I
am
ask them.
perfect.
No, 1%. They come to me
Ah.
out of their own volition.
Really?
हाँ. मैं फिर repeat कर रही हूँ, 1% only out of the so many narcissists.
That come to you.
So what do they say, Sukriti? What they say is, something is wrong with me. So I say, okay, what is wrong with you? I don't know. I think I don't have anybody in my life who I can call my own. Everybody is something weird. So they're not able to describe कि क्या उनको लग रहा है. Then they start. So I say, okay, give me examples. Then they say, मेरे relationships नहीं टिकते हैं. I don't know what is wrong. मुझको लोग मेरे colleagues मुझे पसंद नहीं करते हैं. And I don't know what is the reason. Because they don't have any, another thing. Empathy नहीं है, they don't have insight. You ask me, treatment. Treatment के लिए आपको पता तो होना चाहिए ना कि आपको ये चाहिए अपने बारे में. Their insight is also zero. They don't know.
They don't know.
No, they don't know. They don't know what is it that is going wrong with them. Now, the most dangerous of them is the covert narcissist. I know it's difficult. It's a very huge subject here. So I'm trying to make it simple so that most of the people can relate to it. बहुत सारे हैं there. We have fuel, we have sources of fuel, we have the 4 types of narcissist. Most dangerous and the most prevalent type of narcissists out of the 4 types is the covert narcissist. Covert narcissist की characteristic बता देती हूँ और वो आपको हर जगह मिलेंगे. फिर आप बोलेंगे वो बाकी 3 भी मैं जल्दी से बता देती हूँ क्या होते हैं. एक तो होता है लोअर, एक होता है मिडिल, एक होता है ग्रेटर, एक होता है अल्ट्रा. लोअर वाले होते हैं, let me quickly explain what it is. These are these lower class, the semi-skilled labor class, or the hooch drinkers, domestic wife beaters, crass, not very neat and tidy, slightly crass, aggressive wife beaters, violence, and could be the other way around, but there are more men in the lower one. There are more men. The truck drivers, for example, I'm just giving you their lifestyle and the very alcohol, substance abuse is there, predominantly there. Pot-bellied, shabby, unkempt.
There is a personality type also.
हाँ जी, वो lower. Exactly, that's what I'm saying, lower वाले. इनकी personality profile, and it's all based on research. All based on research done. And I would refer to H.G. Tudor. H.G. Tudor is a great researcher whom I taken as a reference point and of course built on that for the past 4-5 years now. So coming back to the lower are these, ठीक है, ये जो आप easily to understand, वो जो गाली गलौज देते हैं, जो
मार
बहुत ही,
दिया
हाँ,
wife
मार
को.
पिटाई, और वो very shabbily dressed, but the lower ones get into, हाँ, that is that. Lower ones also could be, not all are from the lower. They are also the road rage type people, aggressive. डंडा लेके आ जाएंगे, मार कुटाई कर देंगे, कोई परवाह नहीं है लॉ की. हाँ, that's the lower ones. Middle ones are the maximum, and I'll explain what the middle ones are. We'll talk about the greater and ultras, that then we come to the middle right in the end. So the greater and ultra, the greater is the psychopaths. Psychopaths would mean actual criminals. So the criminals are intentional. They do things intendedly. आपको चोरी, डकैती, खून, जो criminals होते हैं, that's the greater. They consciously do it. Whereas the lower and middle don't know what they're doing. They're subconscious or conscious. Nothing is connected to consciously making a choice. They don't have a choice. They don't have a script telling them ये करना है और ये नहीं करना, ऐसे करने से चोरी चक्कर. Greater and ultra are the psychopaths. Ultras are again the higher version. It could be a politician of repute. It could be anybody else. The high profile वाले जो लोग होते हैं is the ultra. The greater are the criminals and the other things. Maximum जो है middle range में आते हैं. Middle range वाले सब जगह पाए जाएंगे. और वो कौन होते हैं? They are generally very attractive people. They wear good clothes. They carry themselves well. They show more than what they are. Slowly you get to know कि इतना सब इतने content नहीं है जितना कि लोग बोल रहे हैं. धीरे धीरे पता चलता है. They are also come across as very affable. They come across as very interesting. There's something about their eye contact that they have as with people. Something of the face in their face which is very attractive. Girls and boys both. Something which is, it's like a charisma. It's in a funny way, in a very funny way. Of course, it doesn't last long. It's only in the initial stages. So that's that. And they are professionally in the middle. Greater and ultra professionally very good. Whatever they are in. बहुत बढ़िया रहते हैं अपने अपने करियर में.
What is covert? आपने कहा एक और.
Covert narcissist. So middle range में covert narcissists and overt narcissists. Middle range में दो होते हैं. Overt narcissists are the, you've seen in a party, बीच में कोई खड़ा होता है, सब सराउंड किए होते हैं और जोर जोर से कुछ जोक मार रहे होते हैं, ha ha, and loud and wearing flashy shirt and has a whiskey in his hand or her hand, whoever that could be, a girl also, woman also. Very flashy, very type A, very aggressive. Are the overt narcissist. Overt is extrovert. Covert is introverted. They come across as very soft spoken. They are very gentle. They're very helpful. आपको लगेगा यार ये perfect बंदा है या बंदी है. They will mold themselves in the initial stages with whatever the environment is, whatever the need of the hour is. They merge so well that you find them, they become that whatever the environment wants.
This relationship normally you talked about in man and woman, like partners, impact, and it could be a parent and child.
Yes.
It could be a son and
Yes, absolutely. Relationship is only one thing. They are everywhere.
So everywhere in their
colleagues.
So a father or a mother can find their child. If they find an impact in the child, it can work that way also.
Yes, of course. You can have a narcissistic or as a disorder parent. And I repeat again, such you will always, it's a genetic thing. आपके अगर फैमिली में देखिए जो नार्सिसिस्ट होता है उसके फैमिली में one of them has to be father or mother, almost 90%. Sometimes it can be a missed gene, it could be the grandparent. Very rare. But in most cases, one of the parent will be having the same narcissistic spectrum. And it percolates into any relationship. Could be colleagues, could be anybody.
If somebody is watching this video and they know that, okay, I can relate being an empath. So what is the trait that they should look at, okay, I could be an empath, and if I am in relationship with a narcissist, what should I do?
Narcissistic spectrum में क्या आता है? कुछ चीज़ें हैं. क्या है? Pathological liars होते हैं ये छोटी छोटी बातों में झूठ बोलते हैं जहाँ ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ती वहाँ. Larger than life. आपकी aspirations कुछ हैं, करना चाहते हो, लेकिन आपकी मेहनत नहीं है उसको पाने के लिए. Second, so there's a gap between what you aspire for and what you're doing. Second. Third, everything is what you can use and throw. This person I need.
Disposable.
Yes, disposable. इसको आप इस्तेमाल करो और जब आपकी नीड खत्म हो जाए तो that person doesn't exist in your scheme of things. So ऐसे 2-3-4 और characteristics, but ये basics हैं. And fourth is
आप
need
बता
for
दो
control.
फिर, क्योंकि
Need for control. Let's just talk about the basics. These 5 things. Need for control, like I said, कि कोई आपको जी हुजूर आपको चाहिए, कॉटररी में चाहिए, कोई आपको अपना एक गैंग चाहिए. हम लोग उसको बोलते हैं दरबार सिंड्रोम बोलते हैं उसको. दरबार सिंड्रोम क्या है कि हर शाम को या कोई भी टाइम आपको चाहिए कोई सुनने, आपकी बात सुने कोई, आप बोलते रहो और हाँ में हाँ कोई मिलाकर है, योर इवनिंग इज मेड. आप जो पूछ रहे थे कैन दे चेंज, व्हाट हैपन टू दिस पर्सन आफ्टर फ्यू वीक्स और मंथ्स? दे गो इनटू थेरेपी बट दे डोंट सस्टेन इट. Maybe because, I repeat again, in their mind, they don't think they need to change.
And
The
in those
worst part.
cases, how many empath or how many relationship empath gets to leave and live?
They do. There are a lot of times where, and okay, now when we talk of the narcissistic abuse, there is a steps involved. First is love bombing. लव बॉम्बिंग इज क्लाउड 9. परफेक्ट होता है, बिल्कुल लगता है भाई भगवान ने परफेक्शन, और लोग कहते हैं रोमांस में सब परफेक्ट होता है. नाउ कम्स द सेकंड कि ये फिर टिकता क्यों नहीं है? लव बॉम्बिंग तो बढ़िया है, क्यों नहीं है? वी ऑल लव दैट, व्हाई नॉट? व्हाई डजंट इट स्टे? बिकॉज विद इन द लव बॉम्बिंग द एम्पैथ लूजेस हिमसेल्फ और हरसेल्फ. वो आपा खो देता है अपना, क्योंकि वो प्यार में एम्पैथ फील्स दिस इज लाइक दिस पर्सन इज द वर्ल्ड. एक्चुअली वो सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के ये सेंटर बन जाता है. फिर भी कोई गलत नहीं है, अभी तक तो ठीक ही लग रहा है, स्टोरी इज गुड सो फार. देन व्हाट गोज रॉन्ग? व्हाट गोज रॉन्ग इज व्हेन दिस वर्ल्ड बन जाता है, फिर ये जो एम्पैथ है ना, इसकी तो और भी वर्ल्ड थी पहले, तो फिर इसको थोड़ा बाद में रियलाइज होता है यार मेरा काम निगलेक्ट हो रहा है, मेरी फ्रेंड्स से मैं बात नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, मेरे वो कोर्स मैंने आधा छोड़ दिया. उसको भी तो कभी तो याद आएगा ना लव बॉम्बिंग के, जब वो उस खुमार से निकलेगी, उस नशे से होता है ना. नशे से निकलने में जब आप निकलते हो तो आप फिर वो पूछते हो अपने आप को, एम्पैथ पूछेगा कि शिट यार मुझे हैव टू डू दिस. सो दिस पर्सन स्टार्ट्स टू टेल द नार्सिसिस्ट डिसऑर्डर पर्सन कि ओहो आई हैव टू डू दिस टुडे, माय फ्रेंड्स बर्थडे. क्या यार, यू कांट स्टे विद मी, फॉर मी यू आर द वर्ल्ड एंड एवरीथिंग, यू स्टे विद मी मोर. नहीं आई हैव टू गो. व्हेन दिस पर्सन सेज आई हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ माय रेस्ट ऑफ माय लाइफ, you are not, this experience is not my complete life, is where you threaten the sense of control of the narcissist. How can you threaten the sense of control? You cannot do that. You cannot do it. So once you do, starts the next step. First is love bombing. Second becomes devaluation. उस फ्रेंड के घर तुम जाओगी, वो यूजलेस पर्सन है, पता है उसका, तुमने देखा है, वो तुम्हारे को बरगला रही है, उसका तो फैमिली बैकग्राउंड भी अच्छा नहीं है, यू नो शी इज जेलस ऑफ यू. द अदर डे शी वाज डिवैल्यूएशन, वेयर द पर्सन, और इट कुड बी मुझे अपने करियर पे, क्या करियर, मुझे तो लग रहा है तुमने डिग्रियां खरीदी हुई हैं, ऐसे लग रहा है मुझे, कुड बी ना जोक, कुड बी, बट ऑल ऑफ दिस नाइट डिवैल्यूएशन स्टार्ट्स. द पर्सन whom you held on crimson cloud, and this empath starts to get confused now. What's happening here? What's happening? Because why can't it be we continue this and have this? You cannot have, because a narcissist either it's total or it's nil. Devaluation के साथ आ जाता है. Final is discard. Discard means ये चलता रहता है ऐसे, and then it becomes they get fed up or they get bored. Actually, they just get bored. They get bored and they drop you like hot potato. बिना किसी बात के, कोई फैक्टर नहीं है, क्योंकि डिवैल्यूएशन में दोनों के बहसबाजी चलती है, झगड़े भी चलते हैं. फिर वो एम्पैथ कहती है चल तेरी बात मान लेते हैं, और अचानक से वो कहती है कि ये और तो गया या गई. दैट पर्सन लीव्स यू विदाउट एनी
Justification.
nothing,
No notice.
no notice. And that is the worst, because this is called as discard. डिस्कार्ड में जो एम्पैथ होता है वो ट्रॉमा तब महसूस
But
करता
basically, you have to be very careful at being able to identify who's a narcissist,
है.
which is very hard because you're saying most of them are covert.
Absolutely.
They love bomb you and hit you.
So one line, Sukriti, is when something is too good to be true, no,
Be careful.
that's a red flag.
After you lose that person, what do? You choose another person, or how their
No,
life
you
was?
never get over that trauma, and I'll give you a reason why. Because that love bombing stage, no, is the person gets addicted to that person. Addiction. That a narcissist becomes a substance of addiction for the empath. Because the good memories, it's something like, it is true that a narcissist perhaps is the best.
Experience.
Yes, they are very good with their chemistry, their physicality, lovemaking, and the whole idea of romance. They excel there. Casanova's par excellence. I would say an 11 on 10. They are so perfect. Those kind of people you don't find. So the person, the empath, feels that I'm never going to experience that ever again. That feeling. It's like a drug. Like the drug, like it's a fix. So that's why they are ready to go back to the person over and over again, because it's an addiction.
Hoping for some.
Yes, that this time it'll be okay. This time it'll be all right.
An empath should leave, or kind of what is the survival model?
So basically what we do is in what we call as rehabilitation, honestly, is first of all educate yourself about NPD. So give them a lot of literature, a lot of matter, that it is just like a subspecies. You're talking about a species. It's a species. The species is made in a particular way, and you just happen to be one of the victims there. There'll be another one. They'll continue. It's not that they need to be hated for it. It's just the way they are. You don't have to hate them. But I repeat, so the method of recovery is first being educated. Educate yourself about these subspecies. They're just made different, first. Second thing is learn to self-preserve, man. We talked about this. इधर से होपलेस से यहाँ आने की चेष्टा तो करो. तुम कर सकते हो. कैसे? Setting boundaries, saying no, looking at your things first as most important. Of course, a lot of people still tell me that, it takes away the spontaneity, the love, the jump in the air with glee. Those beautiful feelings that an empath has, narcissists don't know what those feelings are. I agree. You have to take it out of your life.
So an empath can come back to being its own original self.
Yes. In fact, there's something which we still talk. We have a support group and narcissism support group that I'm taking care of. So we have about like 100 odd members. Out of which the same thing I keep telling them is, as we talk, we have online and then we have engagement, which is WhatsApp. There are various questions. So in which one important thing is that you will remember the narcissist forever. They do. Even after months, years. The whole idea is not to shun it. Live with that good part of it. Don't keep it aside or hate or say, "Arey, this is so bad." You have the good part of it. Keep that. Let the memories come and go.
It is one of the session where I feel that I am like completely shaken up, and it's the information is something that is difficult to digest. There could be a personality like this to our audience, because I do not know when do they see a narcissist personality or an empath. If this podcast helped them to figure out, okay, there could be these traits which I need to evaluate, even if not make a judgment, but evaluate, and go to the therapist, go to the expert to figure out. Don't figure out yourself, because the understanding of this trait is so new that it's a very time taking to know that what it is.
True.
So, absolutely. I think the only good part is, at least as an empath, you can come back.
True.
Thank you for being with us.
Thank you, Mita. I loved being with you all too.